Sephora, congratulations on another successful year of medical offers. Currently 19 offers. Previously it was 21 medical offers. And it's a clear testimony to you, your team and our students. What underpins our success in securing such a high number of medical offers to top universities in the UK and abroad?
Well, thanks very much, Ellen. Indeed, it's been a highly successful year for our prospective medicine applicants. They have really done us proud this year. In terms of what makes the medicine preparation programme here at Abbey College so successful is that it's underpinned by the strong foundations of preparation and personalisation. So in order to prepare the students, we first of all guide them to secure clinical shadowing and volunteer work opportunities. Furthermore, we timetable several extra lessons a week of preparation, and during those lessons they learn about medical ethics, which they apply to hypothetical difficult scenarios. They also learn about the NHS and its current issues. We also teach them about the range of interview questions they may face at the university interview, and then we rehearse some appropriate answers that they could give to those. Very, very importantly, we dedicate a lot of time to UCAT preparation, which is the aptitude test that all medical schools now use to determine the suitability of a candidate to study medicine. So to do that, we hire external providers who will provide comprehensive training, and we also add one lesson a week to the students' timetables so that they can rehearse the questions, because we believe rehearsal is the best way to increase the score in that test. Furthermore, once students actually do secure an interview, we then give them several individual mock interviews that are specifically tailored to that particular university. Naturally, we also guide them quite heavily through the application process. So we help them with their personal statement writing and all administrative aspects of their application. We also want to make sure that the students are up to date with science and communication skills. So what we do is we issue several research and presentation tasks for the students to carry out throughout the year. The personalisation piece is something we do exceptionally well here at Abbey. Thank you. And this is because our students are obviously largely an international cohort, so they have come to us from a range of educational backgrounds. So what we do is we carefully examine their grades and their qualifications, and we continue to examine the grades that they achieve with us. And so then we do a great big data analysis session in order to be able to guide them to the best universities for them to apply to, so the ones that they are most suited to and are most likely to secure an offer.
There's a really long list of things that we do for our students, and I know that you have perfected the program over the years, which is great, and students really appreciate it. You've touched on that students come from different educational backgrounds, different cultural backgrounds as well, and they have very different expectations of their future, in the medical field. Is there any sort of profile of an ideal medical student?
There very much is. As one might expect, somebody who is applying to medical school, be it to become a doctor, a dentist or a vet, they are all academically able. They have to be. So they're the type of student who will have achieved very well in all of their qualifications. But besides the academic aspect, they also need to have specific interpersonal skills. So they have to want to work with people and communicate with people. They need to be empathetic and approachable and trustworthy and all of those kinds of things. They tend to have the strong value set of wanting to be of service to others.
Yeah.
Furthermore, because the preparation process is so demanding, they need to also be driven and resilient.
And I've been so impressed with our medic students because they have done so many hours of volunteering. They always speak with passion and they're just so well prepared, but they're very kind. I think you know that they do have that empathetic approach to life. Now, Sephora, let's talk about you. You have a really high reputation as a real expert in the field of medical sort of preparation and getting students to secure places at top universities, as we've mentioned. You've got a reputation for being really diligent, with incredible work ethic, highly knowledgeable and really well connected with organizations that can offer volunteering opportunities to our students. You also have a reputation for being very strict and you would not let them get away with anything that they should not be doing. Like, you really want them to meet your requirements, and not just your requirements of the universities. And when I spoke to one student the other day, what he said was, yes, Sephora is really, really strict, but we all know that she's strict because she really cares about us. But that was quite nice. So do you agree with that description? So where is that drive? Where is that passion and determination for training or preparing medical students?
That's really kind of you to say, Ellen. Where my drive and passion comes from, well, I tend to take a global perspective on this. I recognise that healthy, functioning societies are underpinned by good quality healthcare. And having worked in this role for a few years, I recognise the challenges that the NHS faces, but also working with the international students, and they tell me about their healthcare settings, I realise that healthcare is pressurised worldwide. So from a student perspective, it's also really demanding and challenging for them to make these applications. So as their teacher, I like to provide them with the safety net, to provide them clear guidance and boundaries to ensure an increased likelihood that they will be offered a place.
Yeah, thank you, Sephora. I think you are doing a great job together with your team. So, we are very proud of your achievements and of you as well. And my final question to you is, what advice would you give to students who are considering joining Abbey College, Cambridge, especially those students who really want to prepare for medical schools?
So if your dream is to apply to medical school to become a doctor, a dentist or a vet, then you need to look no further than Abbey College in Cambridge. We have a dedicated team of staff who are highly knowledgeable and experienced and know what it takes to make a successful medical school application. We are also very proud of the bespoke medicine preparation program that we have developed over the years and that we continue to refine.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Furthermore, we are often commended by outsiders about the number of hours that we dedicate to the preparation, often not seen in other schools.
And exactly, I think that's something that I know in comparison with other schools. We provide much higher number of structured lessons or sessions, to prepare them. Sephora, thank you so much for your time, and good luck with preparing more and more students to be future doctors or vets or dentists. Thank you very much.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.